Okay, good day, members. Today I will show you how to use this VF indicator. Okay, so VF indicator in your when you are joining this indicator, you have two indicator. One is the old version. This is actually is the first version of volume spread VF 2.1, and second one is VF trade zone. Okay, so from this video, I will demonstrate this is a VF1, and we call it, this one is a VF2. Okay, so both things you can see at the below of your chart is something is look like this for VF1, and the wave type one is a VF2. Okay, so for what is the difference of VF1 and VF2 is a VF1 actually we are using a ratio of analysis between the volume and the price. Okay, because every time when you are seeing the chart, you can see a volume and also you can see a spread. Okay, this is a spread. Okay, so you have this is open high, this is open high, low, and close. Okay, so this is usually a lot of all will be the generate inside this candlestick. Okay, so in this volume floor VF1, we will get the price and the ratio. Okay, because sometimes when you see you have a small volume but you have a very long straight bar, then what is the meaning? Okay, because this one inside the indicator will show you this indicator is a strong indicator, is a sign of strength or sign of weakness. Okay, so in this VF1, this volume ratio analysis is involved using a volume in conjunction with price movement to identify potential market direction and strength. This is the most the definition of VF1. Okay, but however for VF2, we will use only a price action indicator actually. Okay, so but why we need to separate these two indicators is because sometimes in our stock, okay, smart money, they can manipulate the volume. Sometimes that's why sometimes you can see a low volume, but the spread can be very high. Okay, and it's like closing at the create a LC, but this type of creation actually is a no substance one, because when you come to a low volume, this thing is something a smart money has been control. Okay, so and sometimes also a smart money can use the price manipulation. So let's say the price, okay, they open up, then the second day he get down here, but it close up high. Okay, it close up high. Okay, it's look like a strength of buying into the market, but it keep on continue open low, close high, and open low, close high. Okay, when smart money using this kind of a manipulation, okay, a lot of a price based indicator might be how to say, has been misleading. Okay, so that's why we need to have one is called price and volume, and one is only price. Okay, so to filter up wherever smart money try to manipulate and try to hide their footstep. Okay, so this is some basic rules about the VF trade zone. Okay, and I lay out here, I have 5 rules of for you to easy to understand how to use this VF indicator. Okay, both indicator just turn green actually from red is the best thing to invest in a stock. Okay, do not trade the stock with both VF and VF1 and VF2 is in red zone. Okay, so this is the first 1 and 2 rows is I will illustrate with some stock here. FM, latest one from FM. Okay, so when you are doing an investment, one chart, okay, make sure you do not invest during the time is all the two. Sorry, here is all green, all red. Okay, when you are in all red, is the chances of it to turn, you need to wait until it turn to green color. Okay, so if this one is not a green color, this one usually can be going down lower and lower one. Okay, so example like the same stock. Okay, when we are turning it to a much more earlier. Okay, much more earlier in this zone, you can see here in this zone, this is a red zone until here. Okay, so until here is a red zone. Okay, so sometimes when you see the price like sideways, okay, like sideways already, okay, sideways, we thought that is a accumulation, okay, then it might be rebound back to this portion, but you need to wait until your VF, this is VF2 actually, VF2, the wave one, until you see something minor like this. At least you wait until something a green color change, only you try to invest. Okay, the best is the VF1 here, green color also. Okay, so if oh sorry, this is reloading. Okay, so if this one is not aligned, there will be have a problem when you are doing this type of investment. Okay, so better don't trade wherever here is a red color one. Okay, so you can try to get wherever when it's turned to green that time. Okay, so let's say I focus to this top. Okay, so this portion. Okay, so when you have a long red color already, then suddenly you see a green color coming in. Okay, green color coming in. Okay, so example, sometime there will be something like this. Okay, green color, a small green color after it's turned. Okay, so because sometimes the market something like this, they're like a peak, then but however this thing is getting down. Okay, if you really are already enter here during this green color, but when you turn to a red color, I advise you to cut loss. Okay, so in trade, not always 100%. Okay, sometimes when the thing is not correct, then we need to move out already. Okay, so you wait for maybe you wait, because if let's say you already exit here, you no need to suffer this kind of loss. Okay, you can always wait until here the things coming back, then you are investing again. Okay, so that's why what I advise is you want to invest when all the things is turned green. Okay, so this one is also not really turned green, or okay, but at least the VF2 you need to wait until the wave is coming in. Okay, so then you can ride the let the profit run continuously until the wave is habis lah. Okay, so this is one of an example. Let's say okay, I can I show you a continuous another. Okay, this is a live example of this is a Perak Transit. Okay, so I go to the latest one. Okay, so here actually I want to show you is the wave of the VF. Okay, so when you have a scene, if you are seeing the entire things are like this. Okay, the wave is still continue. Okay, so the beginning the wave or wave is like here. If you can catch a gold ball like this, actually it's quite good. Okay, so you don't invest on all these things is still in red color. Okay, even though I know the price look good, but sometimes price already go down, can go down some more one. Okay, so it's not necessary you need to rebound. Okay, so when you have this type of a situation, wait until you see best one is when it's changed to green color. Okay, usually when you are in this stock and here. Okay, so a little bit because this is a real time they are running the update portion. Okay, so this one this portion. Okay, so the best is when the red color, then you see this blue color triangle. Okay, this is the marking of a drop start. Okay, and this is the marking of a bullish is coming. Okay, even though after that you can see here also is in red. This is like a jagger signal, but however you already entered the so because when you have after accumulation, when the stock want to going out, sure a lot of time is become a jagger stage one. Okay, so when the best is when you want to invest in is when the changing of this one. Okay, when you are changing of from red color to green color. Okay, this is the best place you enter yourself. Okay, if suddenly you enter already green, it suddenly change to red color, you can exit. Okay, so I will advise you exit first, because even though here you have a chances to go up. Okay, but maybe due to some planning in the smart money of a market situation, it turn to red color. Okay, when you turn to red color, you can exit first. Okay, once you exit, you no need to suffer this type of big dip. Okay, big dip. Okay, so you can always buy back with a more cheaper price. Okay, you can buy here and with a more cheaper price. Okay, so when you are entering at this zone, Okay, so you just let the profit run. Okay, so wherever you see this zone is continue green, and the entire thing is going up. And when you see the VF here, the VF line, okay, getting improved above this blue line. This blue line actually is a momentum line. Okay, we call it ML. Okay, and VF is the entire this green red line. Okay, when you are if you are not you can actually make it more bigger. Okay, you can see this type of a line here. Actually, this is, we call it a VF line. Okay, VF line, and this is called, we call it ML line. Okay, and above here actually is another main, actually is a VF wave. Okay, it's a wave indicator to know where is thing is going on the stock. Okay, so the best indicator, make sure the best is you can get the change of from red color to green color. Okay, so if you can catch this big wave, okay, so you will know lah. Okay, so you are buying at here about 50 cents, but at the end of the day, this stock actually has been going up almost 100%. Okay, so this is a 120, almost 100. You are seeing the indicator. As long as the whole thing is in green color, okay, you can let the profit run. Okay, so and improve it as long as this VF line did not drop below this ML line. Okay, then the entire situation is still okay one. Okay, you can just let the profit run. Like this example, after the cycle is gone. Okay, so when you see this thing start to change red color, okay, it's time for you, the last call for you to run away. Okay, so even though you will know that sometimes there will be have a rebound. Okay, but as long as this thing did not have a green color like this, okay, so you don't jump in. Okay, but sometimes when you have already a few wave, okay, so this one the small green here sometimes is a small rebound, but this rebound actually sometimes is not really a strong one. Okay, it's because sometimes this indicator they just short. This one is like a potential of a rebound, but however, because due to some environment of a overall market, this entire thing has been pulling down. Okay, so when you see you pulling down, then I advise you to cut loss. Okay, to come out again. Okay, because we did not know how far this thing can go down, because it already go out for so long already. Okay, so this is one of the basic two rules here. Okay, so another one will be, the third one will be, if VFTZ still in green, stock still in bullish trade. That's mean just now I show you, as long as the VF2, the trade zone is still in green color. Okay, so you can continue, let it run. Okay, but the problem is you need to make sure the above or blue ML line actually still okay, but however I prefer above momentum line will be better. Okay, because the momentum at the background is getting improved. Okay, so like example like this Perak Translate. Okay, so the real the how to say, the background momentum is getting improved after is from VF go above ML, this ML line. Okay, this blue line. Okay, and you can see the wave is will be continue running for almost really have in a high, I can say high momentum run. Actually sometimes it can go quite high one. Okay, so this one, if the trade zone is in red color, make sure that means the stock already in a bearish trade. Okay, so it's not mean that you cannot trade, but you need to be careful. Okay, because every sometimes the stock will be rebound and it will be rebound and rebound. Actually the things is getting lower and lower one. Okay, if can choose, you choose this 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one if really not safe to trade, I advise don't trade. Okay, because if you force yourself to trade, at the end of the day usually you will be end up with losses one. Okay, so this guy and also the last one is okay, this VF trade zone green and red and green actually is a wave measurement of the strength and the weakness on the price movement. Okay, so actually you can see here is when you have a wave like this. Okay, so when you are continuous, I make it auto and I come to here. Okay, when you have seen actually the wave actually from here is getting weaker and weaker. Actually here has have a potential of chances this one is going down one, but certainly smart money try to mark it up, okay, because maybe it's during that time, because during November, okay, November until December end of last year actually is a very bullish month, okay, so this smart money is very smart, okay, so since the market sentiment is good, why not we going up, only we coming down, okay, so from you see from here to here actually is almost the same, okay, the price, but smart money already I think make a good fortune from all this markup, okay, wherever retail investor buy in here will be in it will be trapped in this trade, okay, so that's why when you see the wave is getting lower actually the trade is getting weak, okay, but sometimes smart money okay, so we come for another wave, okay, so the wave concept also you can roll back here to red color zone, okay, so when you are seeing the wave here, the wave is higher, but the wave here is getting lower, and suddenly it changed to a green color, actually is a start of a turning, okay, but however in stock market usually when they want to turn, okay, from downtrend to uptrend, okay, it did not change immediately one, okay, so there will be some wave like this, okay, some wave like this, okay, so only you can see here is when you are using a VF a trade zone, this length and this length actually we're getting shorter one, okay, so from here you can see the strength of the background, okay, example you see this one is the downturn, okay, and you see this downturn is getting lower and lower, okay, the short of the wave is getting lower, okay, but however but smart money sometimes they will chuchi one, okay, so will wash you out before the thing is going up, okay, so by judging from this VF wave, okay, so when you see the wave here is getting lower and lower, that means something is coming on, okay, something is coming, okay, so you can try to master and see this wave analysis, okay, you try it out and you how do you do some experiment and R&D how this wave is moving, okay, so because this one still need to have your trading skill on how you catch this wave, okay, but however if you don't for beginner, okay, so straight away just use the turn to green color one, okay, turn to green color one, if anything unfortunately you just hit by this red color again, just cut loss, okay, because we don't want to have this kind of a juji, okay, want to wash us here, sometimes we sell at the bottom, then suddenly this thing fly already, okay, so this one will actually disturb our trading emotion, okay, so from here the list, okay, this is at the down here actually is a root chart, okay, root chart is a chart to show you because in this VF trade zone we have a green and light green, okay, and you have a red and light red, okay, well this color is indicate if you are in a green color, that means the thing is all bullish one, okay, when you come to a light green, that means the momentum is getting lesser and lesser already, okay, so that means you are sometimes the wave is up, then it's coming down, usually when come to down one actually here will be the light green, okay, that means the momentum the background is going down, okay, so also the same one when you have a wave like this is red color, when the red color is getting best, that means the strength slowly coming in, actually you will become a red light red, okay, it will be a light red, okay, it will be a light red, okay, so that's why this one is actually is a very wave analysis. I show you with another chart, okay. Oh, and one more thing I want to show you that sometimes when you know we have trade zone here, okay, so you can see this is a CTOS, okay, at the beginning of here actually is nothing, okay, it's nothing, it's why is because this stock actually is a new stock, okay, and VF actually based on some indicators is about 200 at least some data about how they can start calculate the VF, okay, and VF I find sometimes you can become a zero is because that means not sometimes you're running here, suddenly here don't have, okay, because one of the indicator I use in this trade this trading view, okay, so it did not sometimes the data because it buy from third party, sometimes this data it did not appear, so that's why cause the calculation has some problem, but I see it is a minor okay, it's not a very frequent happens things, okay, but still manageable okay, so I want to show you here what is this the green one, and this is like this one is a very obvious. Okay, so it's a red color, and this red color is getting coming. Okay, so then that's why you see the price is going up like this. Okay, so also the best one where you just buy at the interchange. Okay, when you buy interchange. Okay, but when the price is going down, okay, but you still can maintain in a green color. Okay, so you can still hold this trade, okay, until it's come to the rebound. Okay, but however, when it's turned to a red color again, I advise you to cut loss. Okay, so because in trading, cut loss is a must, is a skill that you must obey. Okay, this rule. Okay, because the smart money is they can manipulate the entire stock wherever they want. Okay, and also a lot of market cycle. Okay, what happened to the overall market cycle? Like now, suddenly have a bank bankrupt. Okay, all these things will be affecting the entire smart money move. That's why VF here is to detect the move. Okay, once the move is not favoring, we need to start move up again. Okay, so example, when the price is moving up, everything is go smooth. Okay, but however, I want to show you is in this we call it jagger stage. Okay, when you have this one all look rosy, but how come VF here is come down? Okay, it come down. Okay, the both things should be go parallel one. Okay, the green color and also the VF also need to be improved, like what we see in this para transit. Okay, para transit, this one is healthy. Okay, this one is a healthy. Okay, that means the smart money. Maybe it's not the only the smart money. The owner want the stock still going up. Okay, so but how come like this when you are comparing a chart? How come this one? Okay, so the chart is here green, but the thing is getting lower, weaker and weaker. Okay, that's mean actually this entire going. Okay, so have some because in a smart money way. Okay, so there's some layer. First layer smart money, and second layer of smart money. Okay, so they need to take turn to come out one. Okay, so if the things continue to drop like this, okay, and it's not a correct way to sell down some more, so they will slowly mark up and sell down at the same time. That's why you see a lot of uptrust. Okay, so and you know that, okay, from November until the beginning of a year, okay, for 2023, from 2022 to 2023, is a market is in good condition. It's a bullish market. Okay, during the time we have a bullish market. Okay, so that's why their smart money is try to going up. Okay, they try to sell along the way. That's why you see a lot of uptrust and the money actually flow out from the system. Okay, until here suddenly he push it up higher, then boom, a drop in. Okay, when you have a drop in, once you see this red color, already it's game over. You must come up. Okay, this is red, this is red. No choice already. You need to come up. If not, the whole thing is going down. Okay, because the smart money, they're just not only judging on the stock, they also make sure when I going up, okay, retail investor will buy. Okay, will buy. Okay, but if the market is very bad, something like that, like now, okay, you have a bank issue, a system bank issue, everyone actually is afraid to buy the stock. Okay, so smart money cannot hold for very long for the stock. They need to sell to somebody. Okay, so they need to sell, and they only they make money. Okay, so what is their target? They will target to retail investor here. Okay, to sell it. So that's why when you see something is drop, but the thing still green, it's not saying that you cannot trade, but you need to be disciplined. Okay, once thing is not good, okay, or certainly job come down, you need to cut loss. Okay, so that's why when but here actually the best way to invest is here lah. Okay, so here is already so we can see the wave is like 1, 2, 3. Okay, usually when you have 1, 2, 3, okay, the wave reach 3 is already game over already one. Okay, so in every wave, okay, so all the news will come in to going up for retailer to go in. Okay, so that's why better be careful. Okay, so and also I want to show you some this list actually is the entire come from an S list. Okay, maybe I get from this this VSA 360. Okay, so you will be have some here actually the no supply one. Okay, no supply at one list. Okay, Okay, so that's why I have summarized some of the stock to share to you how to use this VF indicator. Okay, so and you can see here actually this is a R1B rule. Okay, so you can see here actually the wave is this is red color and this is a red color one. Okay, so where is your best investment position in this one? Okay, and this one and also this one. Okay, so and this one, okay. So in any wave, okay, so when you already cash this, let's say you cash here, okay, the thing is going up, but it look like turning down. Okay, so this is, we call it pullback start. Okay, so this one actually I'm conducting a class for pullback. Okay, so for more information you can call Zach lah. Okay, so in this coming class on pullback, actually I will teach how when a stock already going up, this is a pullback start, we cash it at this pullback complete. Okay, we cash it in this area. Pullback actually is a low risk entrance. Okay, we call it a low risk entrance. Okay, so to have a low risk, then you can benefit it for the uptrend. Okay, so the entire thing is best is to the concept, red change to green, red change to green. Okay, but we did not know sometimes this wave after it go up, it just die off. Okay, like this wave also go up after a while, then he start to die off. Okay, so how we want to see this in when you're already in, where we should come out. Okay, because when you see this blue red triangle, is a marking of a pullback start. Okay, in a pullback we also got a lot of upthrust, overtake upthrust, upthrust fail. Okay, all these things will be happen. Okay, so when you have this thing and this start to menjunam, come down from below to ML line, that means this one is getting weaker and weaker. Okay, so because here actually is only is your cut loss. Okay, it's a cut loss. Okay, but if you see something is not really correct, you can act more faster. Okay, this is how you piloting. Okay, when you have already some indicator, sometimes you also need to add in some of your experience. Okay, when you see something is smell something is not correct. Okay, because the whole things must be green color and green color go parallel one. Okay, if one of it did not go align, that means someone is selling out. Okay, smart money is selling out from here. Okay, so that's why when you have something like this, okay, so the come and wave and come down again, then come another wave. Okay, so if you only based on the entrance of wave, okay, actually you can also benefit a lot how to already. Okay, so that's why this is one of the example you how to catch the wave. Then I go to another. This is but this one is because of a new stock. Okay, so the data just come in here. So this type of stock, unfortunately, we cannot look into much because it's a new stock. Okay, so then we move on to SKB soup. Okay, you can see here also one of example of the wave. Okay, so where is our catching point? Will be here. Okay, this one I will show you. And this one MT1 is not because of the data, not because of the indicator problem. Okay, this is come from the data because the data from trading view don't have. Okay, because it's buying data from a third party one. Sometimes they don't have one. This when the data is not there, become cannot already lah. Okay, so that's why you see here no. Okay, so but however, when you are seeing a red color, okay, but you can just hear the VS also already above ML line. Actually that means the strength is getting getting good lah. Okay, so that's why actually here is your interchange. Here also is your interchange. Okay, so here is your cut loss. Okay, so if just very simple, when you see the best is you wait until you have an interchange. Okay, you try to catch this one. Okay, so if you can catch one of a wave, okay, this easily sometimes this wave you can give you a 10% return. Okay, so after that just if you see the red color already come out first, okay, come out first. Okay, you don't want to take risk, okay. So but it like green again, and what I say in the rules is make sure you have a VF above, okay, above ML line. Once it's above ML line and plus you are in the green zone, okay, so pop That's why it's have a small run. Okay, so even though you can see here is a pullback here, but the green color is still here. Actually, this is another entrance for you. Okay, so here is a pullback. You don't entrance. You only entry when the blue triangle is formed. So it's about here, about here. Okay, and this is actually the entire, we call it pullback pattern. Okay, this is a pullback. This is actually one of the pattern. If you have attend my class pullback before, okay, this is called full pullback. Okay, this is called full pullback. Okay, so now is everything of this one we can still can analysis. Okay, so you can when you see this thing happen, then no choice, you need to come out again. Okay, so another stock here I want to continue to show you is this Ramsol. Okay, so this one is also a new stock. Okay, so your entrance point will be here. Okay, then you have benefit this one. Okay, so but however, when you come to here already, okay, when you come to this area, but you see something's wrong one. You see this one, how come you have a green position? Suppose my VF line, suppose my VF line should be going up one, going up. This means my VF line go up, and also the ML line should be going up some more. Okay, so they need to be go up in parallel. Okay, but why how come these funny things go to every color? Okay, how come these funny things happen? Okay, that's why when the thing is going up, okay, not means that okay the smart money trapped by the market. Actually, smart money, they get the market information far more faster than us. Okay, they get sometimes this insider information. Okay, almost 1 month or maybe 3 to 2 weeks beyond faster than us. Okay, so that's why when you have a problem, then they'll mark up the price to sell out. Okay, so that's why when you have markup, okay, so if you are based on a price action, it's look okay, but based on volume ratio, it's already smell some funny things. Okay, this is funny things. Okay, that's why when you come to a funny things, okay, you quickly come out. Okay, once you have more experience already, you no need to wait until this thing coming in. Okay, because this is sometimes we did not know this certainly happened. Okay, this certainly get down. Okay, so you can see here some of the stock. Okay, some of the stock when they get down, that time is end of February. So during this time, maybe they already know that some bank might be blow up. Okay, and during this time, maybe they are seeing maybe they are already fully out of the market already. They finished the one to going, then they just exit the plan. Okay, so when you see something like this, it's dangerous already. Okay, but then and you see this, maybe it's still got time for you to run. Okay, so when come to like this already, there is end story. Okay, nothing to run and must run already. Okay, this is must run. This is a must run. Okay, so this is another example. Okay, so here I got another is a Saludi. Okay, so this one also, where is your catching point? Okay, here is your catching point. Okay, so what I say in the first row is you need to have a green color and green color. Okay, from here you also have a green color. Okay, but you can see this two. This two is actually different strength. Okay, it's a different strength. Okay, this strength is green color, but this green color is below this ML line. Okay, so this is a discounted strength. Okay, but this one is more better because it's above ML line already. This VF. Okay, you can see VF above ML line. This is a VF below ML line. Okay, so all these things will be once you have combined between red to green. Okay, red to green. Okay, so or you can go for entrance. Okay, so for here you can if you can catch a very good nice one. Okay, so here is about 265, and if you are reach higher here, even though you cut loss when you see the first red color here, also actually is quite good. When you are going up, you just take some partial profit okay, because you are deal with a penny stock. When you deal with penny stock, anything can happen very fast. You see this smart money are also very smart one. Okay, here is an accumulation, here is a markup, and here is a sell down until here just totally sell down. Okay, so for them, they just already earn a little bit profit, and here and just fully exit. Okay, so once they have this type of format like this one, okay, green red color, then you can also already can exit. Okay, wait until you have another green wave coming. Okay, even though you see here is a potential blue triangle, that means already start buying already, like this here, the smart money maybe already restart taking in this position. Okay, sometimes smart money, they already have some agreement with the owner. No matter how I going, I will maintain this level for you. Okay, so that's why the owner can share their stock to this smart money, okay, to Goring. Okay, they will maintain some level for you. Okay, so that's why this is coming in. Okay, but we don't want to do this kind of a trade because it's not really worth it lah. Okay, so it's not risk fill some stock is a QES. Okay, QES, you can see here actually if you can catch a very good bombing here. Okay, so the important thing is this one. Okay, the best one I every time see is when you have a green red to green. Okay, once you have a VF just changing from below ML to above ML. Okay, so this is the big wave. Okay, you try to catch a big wave, then the entire year you already enjoy with the profit already. Okay, sometimes we no need to trade a lot. Okay, make sure what we trade is high return one. Okay, so that will be that's why when you see this actually this is a wave one. Okay, this is accumulation, come down, then Goring, after Goring then come down already. Okay, so this is stage 1, stage 2 distribution. Now is a stage 4 already, it's coming down already. So it's a very some stock is really not tricky one. Okay, some stock is just a really direct one. Okay, so this is a markup out, and here is your exit. Okay, final exit, then coming down already. End of story. Okay, so this is a QES. You can go for another is this EL soft. Okay, EL soft, you can see here actually some of the stock is still in the accumulation. Okay, but you can see here the wave. Okay, this is a red color wave, then come to the green and wave again. But you can see this wave is getting weaker, and also this one getting lower. Okay, so for these chances to certainly come out is very unlikely. Okay, but just afraid sometimes deeper he go down. Okay, so for now the smart money, we still don't know this one is a accumulation or actually is a silent sell out. Okay, because of what we see here is look like accumulation, but how come this green color and this one is not aligned? Okay, if this green color align something like this, then it's all right. Okay, that means it's a hidden buying. Okay, but it's look like no. Okay, it's look like no. Okay, so this one definitely is a dangerous to trade. Okay, let them really go out first. Okay, and all this thing turn to green color, and this above one only you invest. Okay, so this is one of it, and this is GUH. Okay, GUH also actually is a very good I heard news is this is a Goring stock lah. Okay, so actually here when you see this is a red color. Okay, is that's why you see here this suddenly is coming down. Okay, so sometimes this smart money, they're very smart one. Okay, they are get up and sell down. Okay, so the heavy sell down, we did not know who he transferred the money. Okay, but however this thing show we have here show is the entrance here. Okay, as long as you have a green color, you have a blue triangle, that means this is a pullback start and pullback complete. Okay, because the last time when we are using a pattern one, is very hard to see. Okay, so in the coming class, I will show you all the pattern when you are using a VF1 and VF2. Okay, you can catch the pullback is very easily one. Okay, as long as the market is going up. Okay, so if the market is a bear right now, okay, so sometimes it will be a bit hard to get lah. Okay, so however, like this kind of stock, you can see here some limitation is sometimes the stock, okay, that can certainly change direction like this. Okay, but the indicator still did not catch anything yet. Okay, so why this indication is not catch anything, actually still have a potential to going out back one. Okay, so if we come out with a red color, that means you will be going down again. Okay, so if we did not get this thing, they might be have a chance to going up again, rebound. Okay, but we don't try to against this type of trade is a little bit risky lah. So we better go to find trade like this lah. Okay, this one to red to green one, okay? So this one will be much more safer, okay? But that's why sometimes when you have a stock, okay, they will try to juji you one, okay? So as long as you, when the thing is juji, they did not change to green, red color, and this VF above ML line, then will be still good, okay? It will be still good, okay? So this is actually is one of the pattern we call it a full pullback, okay? Full pullback, okay? Last time we need to memorize all this pattern, but now with VF and VF1, VF2, everything will become easy, okay? So this is GHU, and this is the attack. This is a new stock, okay? So but nothing much can talk about this one because of a new one. It's not much data from this VF, and this one also is still new stock, no VF inside, and the AGMO also no, but you can still use the VF1, okay? So wherever below ML line one, actually is tend to go down one, okay? So no matter you have zigzag, it only will go down more further, okay? So this thing don't trade, okay? Don't trade this kind of stock, even though you wow, this one is hoo-ha, you have a hoo-ha here, you sometimes you did not know, suddenly dropped too fast, okay? You've been trapped inside one, okay? So it like go out, come down, go out, come down, go up, come down, okay? You can see this thing line, okay? It's going down one, so that's why you can see this VF here is all going down, okay? So avoid all this kind of stock lah, okay? YTL Power actually is a very good NS by the time when the market is been trembling down, okay? But this stock actually I still look quite okay lah, okay? Because I see here you have a very good start, and this one is actually very good accumulation, okay? Then only here another bombing up, okay? And this wave is still running, okay? This one did not drop down yet, so I think this one after the dust go down, that means this bank system problem finish that time. This one I think we have a chance to rebound more further, okay? But however, still depends now, okay? Because if you're already in, then you can let the profit run. But if you're not, better wait first lah. We need to have the best is you pull back a little bit, okay? You pull back, then you have a red color, then come down a little bit, then suddenly have a blue triangle, give us a chance to go in, okay? So the like in the pullback class actually is all talk about your entrance, okay? If your entrance correctly, your risk is lower, then the chances for you to take profit is quite high. Okay, so another is continue one. This one is a OCK. Okay, OCK. I see the setup also is quite good. Okay, but it's meet up the banking crisis. Okay, but however, I see here the change is still ongoing. Okay, you still in the beginning of from red color to green color, and this one still did not see any weakness yet. So this stock is look like quite good, because here got another markup, but it's here he marked down. But sometimes their markdown actually is not a weakness, okay? They need to chuchi to get more before he fire up again, okay? The smart money need to be in position before he play out the things, okay? So the last one here, I want to demo one is Cosmo, okay? But Cosmo, unfortunately, this is a new stock. We cannot see the line, okay? So also the same, you just use this VF. When your VF line is below this ML, you can know that this one will go out, and go out will come down one. They will be slowly coming down like this one. Okay, so you don't trade. Okay, you sometimes you try to catch this more up. Okay, the smart money will be run more faster than you. Okay, you can see this all this kind of pattern. Different stock. Okay, different stock, but you can apply in a same different stock, same pattern one. Okay, because this pattern by a same group of smart money. Okay, so this one is end of my tutorial. Okay, so I will share more when I have a new set of stock. Okay, so if you have any problem using a VF indicator, may PM me, or I also can let me know. Then I will guide you how to use this powerful volume floor indicator. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.